So you want to prepare to buy a house. Well, let's do it. Today I'm going to take you step by step on all the things I think that would be very helpful to help you in preparation for buying a house. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell to be notified every time I drop new videos every week. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, if you're in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or Florida to purchase your new home, I would love to help you. My team would be delighted and appreciative of the opportunity to serve you through this exciting time. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. How do you prepare to buy a house? What I want you to keep in mind is I'm going to tell you the perfect world of everything that you could do if everything's perfect. But keep in mind, most of the time, life is not perfect. And I don't want you to be discouraged in any way if you can't meet everything that I'm saying. If you work with a great loan officer, which there are so many around the country, which is such a blessing, but if you work with a great loan officer, they can help you navigate through some of these things. And some of these things might not be needed in certain instances, but I'm just going to kind of go ahead and just cover blanketly all the things that you might want to work on. So stay positive, stay excited. I look forward to helping you meet your home ownership goals. And let's talk about what you need to do right now. If you're paying rent, ideally, you would want to have been paying rent for at least 12 months. If not, don't fret, it might still be fine. But ideally, if you've been paying rent for at least the 12 months, it would be so fantastic if we can trace and track that rent. Sometimes that's through Venmo payments. Sometimes it's through bank transfers. Sometimes it's through cleared checks, not the checks you wrote, but the actual cleared checks through the bank. Sometimes if it's not an individual that you pay, but it's a big company that you pay or a big development that you pay, sometimes that can be trailed by a verification of rent, or what we call in the mortgage lingo a VOR. What we're looking for is to make sure that you've paid that rent on time for the last 12 months. Now, what do we mean by on time? We don't care if you were 5 days late. A lender defines on time as not 30 days late. So don't stress out if sometimes you're 5 or 10 days late on that rent. But verifiable rent is huge in helping you prepare for home ownership and helping you prepare to get a nice clean pre-approval, to move through loan approval, to move through closing, to actually purchase your home. I'm going to do a quick little plug because I built a first-time home buyer's massive mortgage education course that I usually charge $597 for, and I'm going to drop a link below for all of you to purchase it at $97. Words can't express. It's almost like growing a baby and having a baby. This course has been so much fun, and so much passion and so much dedication has gone into this to not only help you get a great loan approval, a great pre-approval, but also help you with a smooth and on-time closing. So enough of that. The next thing you want to be prepared for is to show your asset statements. That's IRA, 401k, stocks, bonds, CDs. You don't have those things, don't stress out. The other portion of that would be your checking and or savings accounts. What we're going to look at for those, we're going to look at average balances in relation to ending balances. We're going to look for any deposits that might be unusual for your income and percentages that you deposit into the bank. When it comes to an RD loan, not VA, FHA, or conventional, but the RD loan will actually make us paper trail every single deposit, not even just the unusual deposits for you. Most deposits are payroll, which we see. You work for McDonald's in this example, and we see McDonald's payroll, and that's not questioned. It's totally normal. If you tend to deposit cash in your bank account, that can definitely be a struggle or cause a struggle because cash can't be paper trailed or validated per se. So sometimes you can get around that by what's called season the money. Have the cash deposited in there for more than 60 days so that it doesn't show up as a deposit in the 60 days of bank statement that the lender's gonna get. Another big thing on your bank statements, overdraft and NSF. Sometimes those things can actually cause your loan to be denied. How many times have you overdraft? How many times have you NSF? Even if you did an NSF or overdraft in the 2 months of bank statements we look at, most bank statements on the last page show overdraft or NSF fees year to date. So we'll see it there too. So keep a close eye on that because that could cause you problems. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found it very valuable. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next one.